I'm your host, Adrian Sanabria, and joining me for this interview is Tyaga Vasudevan, EVP of Product at Skyhigh Security. Welcome, Tyaga.
Thank you, and thanks for having me here.
Congratulations to Skyhigh Security for being nominated as a finalist for the, I believe it was a data security?
That's correct.
Yeah.
And thank you for that. And a privilege and an honor to be nominated as a finalist in the Data Security Awards.
Talk to me a little bit about what you're doing and the SSE space.
Yep.
I know it was maybe 2 years ago that you adopted the Skyhigh Security name again. Like I covered Skyhigh Security
That's right.
closely when they were one of the early CASB startups.
That's correct.
When I was an industry analyst.
Yeah.
And it was fun seeing the name come back.
Yeah, thank you, Adrian. And just as a background, I come from the Skyhigh Networks days, the original CASB market definers. But you're right, the market has indeed evolved. And Skyhigh Security, we are in the mission of empowering organizations to protect their data, regardless of wherever it is, whether it is through the web, on the cloud, or on private applications. And we do this by providing a next-generation secure web gateway, which can operate on the cloud, on premise, or in hybrid mode, and really securing your internet traffic. And then we also provide a zero trust network access solution, a ZTNA solution, to protect access for your remote users accessing their private internal applications. And again, we do that by providing a zero trust solution, as in the right person, the right role has the right access to the application. And then, of course, the Cloud Access Security Broker solution, which helps you to protect your sanctioned applications, because what happens on the cloud is really blind to the proxy, right? You need to have an API-based Cloud Access Security Broker solution to do that. And we have the broadest coverage of APIs for sanctioned applications. And that also includes shadow IT security solutions. And it's really, you're seeing a new rebirth of shadow IT in the world of shadow AI.
Oh, of course, yeah.
But what's interesting, Adrian, is underneath the entire portfolio of SSE is our deep data security offering, which the DLP solution, which runs across the entire portfolio. So if it's a sensitive data, you can ensure that you build your rich classifications and data protection solutions that can protect it, whether it's getting exfiltrated by an employee inadvertently to their personal Dropbox, or on OneDrive and somebody's right-clicking it and sharing it to tyaga@gmail.com, or you're on an unmanaged device and you're downloading that onto your personal laptop from an internal application. So because it's all consistent, it's the same unified policy framework, it's very easy for customers to operationalize data protection policies across each of these control points on the edge. And we do this through a unified console, so it really reduces the cost of operationalization from an SSE solution. That, in a nutshell, is what we do, and with data being a very strong differentiator for us.
Congratulations to Skyhigh Security for being nominated as a Best Data Security Solution finalist in the 2025 SE Awards.
Thank you, Adrian. It's a pleasure to be here, and thanks once again for the awards.